This paper is the Ubiquitous B Tree. It's a 1979 paper. This paper discusses and compares several variations of the B tree, especially the B plus tree, showing why it became popular. It surveys the literature on B trees, including several papers, and explores a general purpose file access method based on the B tree. The B tree variants discussed in this paper are B star trees, B plus trees, prefix B trees, virtual B tree, binary B trees, 2-3 trees, variable length entries, and compression. The paper compares B tree variants with respect to cost of operations like retrieval costs, insertion and deletion costs, and SQL processing. It also explores B trees in multi-user environment, discusses its security aspects and performance enhancements. There are quite a few contributions of this paper. The paper shows B tree is efficient, versatile, simple, and easily maintained data structure. One variation, B plus tree, allows efficient sequential processing of the file while retaining the desirable logarithmic cost for find, insert, and delete operations. B tree schemes guarantees 50% storage utilization while allocating and releasing space as the file grows and shrinks. B trees grows and shrink in exactly the opposite manner, and massive reorganization is never necessary after heavy transaction traffic. Different B tree implementation techniques provide enhanced performance, generality, and the ability to use B trees in a multi-user environment. Completion of keys and pointers, careful allocation of nodes on secondary storage, and local redistribution of keys during insertion or deletion all improve performance and make B trees viable in a production environment. Locking protocols, virtual memory protection, and data encryption provide security and mutual exclusion necessary when a B tree must be shared by several users. Now let's give this paper a PS score. On readability, it gets 9 out of 10 as it's an easy and engaging read. The paper is 17 pages long, so it gets 7 out of 10. One can easily reproduce the finding and performance stats, so it gets 10 out of 10. It's a 1979 paper and it's still valid today. B trees are an important part of many DBMS systems, so it gets 10 out of 10. I learned quite a bit about B trees and its variants, so it gets 10 out of 10. So the overall PS score is 9 out of 10.